Greenfield has a new way of communicating with residents in times of emergency.
22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli joins us to explain how this alert system works.
Yeah, Greenfield rolled out their new emergency alert system July 1st, and it's been keeping residents informed of potentially dangerous situations. Greenfield Alert sends out real-time notifications for severe weather and other potentially hazardous situations. Residents can sign up for this free service by texting Greenfield to 67823 on their cell phone. Residents who register on the city's website can choose whether they'd like to receive text message or email notifications.
That would probably be helpful because there's definitely some spots around here when we get that kind of rain. Pretty much clogs up quick, so if they are able to notify which streets not to go on, probably save some people some hassles.
Greenfield Emergency Management Director Robert Strand told 22 News this alert system also lets residents know what actions they may need to take in emergencies. Strand said Greenfield Alert replaces the city's old emergency alert system. All residents must re-register through Greenfield Alert to continue to receive important messages. Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.